Which ICREST value do you resonate with?
Teamwork.
I would say I resonate with excellence.
Respect and trust.
I resonate with commitment.
Commitment.
Integrity.
Safety.
Teamwork.
Which ICREST value resonates with you the most?
Respect and trust. Teamwork. Integrity.
Excellence.
Commitment.
Commitment.
Excellence.
Excellence.
Respect and trust. Safety.
For me, safety is a habit.
For me, it's excellence.
For me, it's integrity.
The values of our company, ICREST, define the how of doing business. The strategy defines the what of doing business, and the values define how exactly on a daily basis the way we behave, the way we conduct ourselves. Whenever in doubt, it helps us do the right thing. So I would request each one of you to recommit yourselves to our ICREST values, demonstrate as much of behavior as you can, live your values every day is what I will say.
I stands for integrity. We are honest and forthright.
Integrity builds character, and character builds the personality.
At Crest, everything we do is guided by our core values, ICREST, and at the helm of it is integrity that also acts as the backbone in terms of how we operate. Even if you look at the ICREST logo, integrity is placed in the center since it also regulates and aligns the other 5 core values.
To me, commitment is a very critical element in the entire ICREST framework. It's all about taking a stretch in our day-to-day work and our end goals and deliver it to the best of our abilities and ultimately contribute to the larger organization goal.
There is always right way of dealing with any circumstances or situation, and that's what commitment drives us to do so.
If you want to demonstrate commitment as a value, you need to take charge, never say no attitude, accepting your mistakes so that you can work and take corrective measures to rectify them.
R stands for respect and trust. We value and respect each other to think, act and lead.
To me, respect means recognizing the inherent value and unique contribution of each individual, and the trust is about believing in their capability
To foster a positive work environment.
In simple words, it's about treating others how we want to be treated.
E stands for excellence. We enable and strive to be the best to excel.
Excellence is defined as an ongoing effort to establish an internal framework of standards and processes.
Excellence happens to be a part of Crest value, but here the emphasis is not only as a goal, but it's rather a mindset.
Excellence to me is striving for betterment and surpassing our own potential each day. It is actually a process, not particularly an end goal.
It is a mindset that drives me to constantly improve and exceed expectations.
S stands for safety, which is committed to give a healthy and safe environment to all of us.
Safety is just not a value, it is an integral part of our culture.
We at Crest Digital observe zero accident philosophy, for which we take reasonable precautions to avoid actions and inactions that could risk anyone's safety. We are following 7 safety habits. Our aim is zero safety incident, zero high risk incident, and zero adverse environmental impact.
Safety is one of the important values of life. Wear all their safety gears and be aware of our surroundings. Never take any shortcuts.
T stands for teamwork. We collaborate with purposeful relationships to ensure a win-win scenario.
Teamwork is crucial for an organization and its goals. Without teamwork, a company cannot achieve its goal.
For me, teamwork is more than just working together. It is about synergizing our skills, knowledge and experience to achieve a shared goal. Individually we are strong, but together we are unstoppable.
ICREST values actually are the core belief of what we believe in. We feel very proud to say that we have done very good in our culture space. This is something which has also helped us as a making a big foundation, rather a strong foundation for us in enabling us to get through a great place to work certification as well, because the culture builds the foundation.